afna na konfna ahye oye hona woto wono daba meche by election Dani Okodon Masesari wabaye mbeshebo gomfo na wamuntum de wonyi hune dwuma da woye mbeshebo gomfo da mara so na wode adesede dato nananum payinfo wonanyi mede se obende wori ye bibi na woso oye free na ekọ na wo mo bibi katai je kwato anaje kwahwe won wa sa aya mo ntonchin osana nsumpo no ho hia pa ebusafo yi na nsem bi oka wona enwabere mede bosom home nase nas de pepe bi wo ho a yede bama oye king of the universe asaya watan oye adensi nhundama ogwa na fifi mantomode waja abodo king of the universe was working con wa bede materials ndamara so na NPA National Petroleum Authority also use gas ono so onada worma edu oku beni onada worma no we so masema nwabere mede donkor kasebo mede brahum aba from kitikeku Asorba Kofi Essuman. Nsamno ase mbeshebo gom okwa homeje ndakakrani na wasan aba abatenase nti anada na wode hona ase transheshedo na wo mbeshebo gom no chamepe na oda no oye honorable Kings for Sumani Babin odutugwa chire me de ebira wa be ye bira worebohwe na nsam kor anabi mbi odeda ho da odam mbeshebo gom wo ye bia wode bo omanga nupunto ne kankwa wo beye ono nti asase na wa batenase na chamepe ye gyan nitumodo na enyanuma woto wono daba meche da no by election akrodo wakotia eno onye tamale central no oda woji wonu tum da wo yembrehye bo wo na woji wonu tum yankwhwe bra wo so in za akrodo wo mbrehye bogom
Quran Bible You all know the drill very well, but just remind you that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Republic of Ghana.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Republic of Ghana.
As by law established.
As by law established.
That I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of Ghana.
That I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of Ghana.
And that I will preserve.
And that I will preserve,
protect,
and
defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
And defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. I swear
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Republic of Ghana.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Republic of Ghana.
As by law established.
As by law established.
That I will uphold.
That I will uphold.
Preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
And defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
And that I will faithfully.
And that I will faithfully.
And conscientiously. Discharge the duties of a member of Parliament.
Discharge the duties of a member of Parliament.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Honorable members. Thank you for taking the oath. You are most welcome. And I'll hold you to two oaths that you sworn. Particularly the one where you clearly stated that you faithfully and conscientiously discharge the duties of a member of Parliament. To enable you to discharge those duties, I'll first give you the hoe and the cutlass. You don't go to your farm without the hoe or the observe members when they walk in. Please, even though I'm 33 years here, on daily basis I still refer to the Constitution and the standing orders. So I'm going to hand this over to you. There are other documents that the clerk's office will make available to you. And please, if you really want to perform your duties well, you have to put them and sleep with them. There's a lot that you have to learn. Whether you are a professor or you are a farmer or you are from anywhere, you have come to a new school, and that school starts from crèche, and you are starting from crèche today. Please don't assume that because of your capacity in other areas, you know it. You don't know it. You have to start learning. Please. Your seniors will do the usual thing. You've all been to school and you've all passed through to the university, you've gone through. You know what seniors do to juniors. Don't be deterred and intimidated. You can perform better than them. Please. But at least, ask for the respect, the reverence, you have to give it to them. Because they were born before you. And so, on behalf of the House and the members, I hand over this first to the Member of Parliament for the Apatia constituency. And second, to the Member of Parliament for Tamale Central.
We can come, okay.
Honorable members, on your behalf, I warmly welcome the two freshest members of Parliament to our midst, and we are happy now to have the full complement of the House. We now have 276 members of Parliament.
nti mreshebe gomfo waji oye mpeyimfa woto won da ba akutia mreshebe gwen no Tamale Central mreshebe gwen waji hona atom de waye mreshebe gomfa wosum hon abato mposedo yefi onodo na yeko omampen John Dramani Mahama fenyi kwedo otode ba sa na so ya anada odi tuma omanga na zaman oyene mpeyimfa wo hwe oye no kwantempodo meche road minister no nya pampamfa wobon mo fa wapam ekupem wo oye takrade na wankowara keke wokrai de wukedi dwuma sonkon wodasom oman Ghana onanye de fiti gwai de kwatakrade ana fitakrade de bagwai no akwan na tetu apansema mese oye fu yo metra oye beposo na rekwada ni nwura mpa abele ni saw owokwan do papa bese wa abele wokwan na gigigigigigi support so se manholo ni na amakwan na basa se inifi oye igwe na kwatakura da enchaye ye kura indi don hwerokor sima baye idonene 45 minutes na nchode idi na ikupe mu takura na so onam kwan na se nti ebitu da kwan ma don hwere bie na de hwara de ho igina oye kwan ma indu takura de ono no mampen John Dramani Mahama fenyi kwejo tere basa oyene mpenfa ka ya manze na mambe no wode asowa bofo me de oh wa makwan na kwantata nye adwuma na mo onye adwuma kaka ori adwuma de ekwan no wugbe ma afan ebien na oboko afan so ebien na oboko na ta we bo bontoto na kala na don hwere na lan olutwem akwana ba ebien ma orokọ ebien ma orobaso ebien obefe obaya kone wie peye pa na mampen bra odi asobo fom wieyin no da asem bi together onta so do oya dane ye na Burkina Faso da nuala sabe tafreche unya won fa hodi na wo sha sere wo primpuntu wo bi bere obaga na na obusua awonu po wa yan hihye de won makasa kasa wo follow de no won fu won kwan na won say won kwan enti sakar bia be follow da ohia ma wo tenten na wo tetere mo te won te wo ma amfa na mo tere mo no amfa nko won kwan no do enti wo fa na ma gbode no wa ha kala ko te bohwe na ne mun zaman kale basa na wa foko oye wakena idu wakena Ghana border kasi basa na wa fa Ghana kala ko te ne mun zama nto man payin de ebe se wo ye no wakena mo yi ya Ghana so ye ya obeyi na nsama odi tugwan yankohwe bi.
Now I just want to also point out we cannot invest so much money in improving our road network only for transporters to overload their trucks and destroy the roads in 3 to 5 years. We've seen new roads that are built, and once these trucks that are overloaded pass on them, within 3 to 5 years the road is finished. Recently, Burkina Faso have implemented a new weight regulation, and so your trailer must not be longer than a certain length and overload. When they get to Burkina Faso border, they cannot enter because of the regulation the Burkinabes have introduced. So they bring 3 trucks from Burkina Faso and offload 1 truck into 3 trucks before they can enter Burkina Faso. There are trucks in this country that load 120 tons when the maximum load is supposed to be 50 tons. There is no road you can construct that will stand 20 tons per truck. And so I've told the roads minister, and it's going to be announced firmly in the budget. We'll consult the drivers union, the transporters. We must implement weight restrictions so that the roads that we build can last. And so next year we're going to introduce strict weight limitations. So only for people who want to make as much money as possible to load 120 tons on a road and destroy that road within a short time. And so I'm just sending a signal. We're going to engage the stakeholders in the sector in order that we enforce the weight limits for our trucks so that they don't overload and destroy our roads.
Nti omampa John Dramani Mahama ono na etsenkan nti ne webu konatum da contractor butum ayedwuma efi oye igwai de kwatakwa de kwantempo no do na webu mekwan ne mu adam wo mpuntu kwando ebusuanya ntia do na inkupe mu abra asebu kwamankase mensinum mekere asebu traditional council ana traditional area bebia nka no ne dzinenyin na ende ye wa agendam dedom na ye wa agendam fufurum na mpanyimfa wada agendam fufurum wonenfi enum ndi wo oye agendam na nabeyina otodide basa na oyine himba benyua na benyua dabreko na so otodo ebien onye ne mpanyimfo wona afidida wodin nti waye de wonye head screen sonko wonfama mba panyinfo ana ikronum mbayina dem obeya obinya apomodin sonko na Coastal television be kupe mu o yanye oba panyin oya buronyi Esther ana Sarah odi oya ana asefu wonanyima worhwe madam apomodin hwehwem sonko akwadon yane bonko bisan sentri potia onom de badwubeda otedam no waye na nsama buronyi Sarah okanibi.
Sarah. I'm a member of the Agendum community. I'm a newer landowner here, and we are celebrating the 5th anniversary of Nana Benying's coronation as chief here. So for part of the festival this year, we're doing a health screening. Myself and one other diaspora, Miss Kiki Collins, we decided to sponsor the health fair to make malaria testing and typhoid testing available for those that are experiencing symptoms. And really, we just wanted to, we're new members of the community, so we just wanted to find a way to help take part. So with us today is the Birwa Polyclinic. They brought their practitioners here to help do just a general wellness exam. Mr. Shepsu is back there as well. He's trained in Chinese Eastern medicine, so he's going to be doing a general pain assessment for people, making some recommendations there. And then we have testing for malaria, typhoid, and a few hemoglobin tests as well for anyone experiencing symptoms there.
So are you taking money for
We are not taking money. We made the tests available free of charge, and then people can get a prescription for the meds that they need for them.
are they popular?
Well, I'm sure we'll see more people coming throughout the day. Yeah.
It's a Coastal Television yakwado nyanye oye wana ya meye wana dom ma wakaji oye ayehwe ne mu hwehwem ne bi no nyanye wo bɔ nkomo na bebia wo hyase de woreji ayehwe no sunsuando ekwer ebie ni ba sa ansa no mpo se edu odma mo hon ana edu obekira mo no abado no ya hwe no na ewia nkomo twetwa yenye na ntwetwe ne so nti da wakan
If they know they have a fever, they can go get testing unless they have to have their vital
That's it. Yo, yeah. I'm not saying never have. Maybe if you there, and I think we can water, and I will pay back. You don't say that way, you know. But what I said, I know I didn't. But in an answer, I'm not there. Just what we do is like no. Young son, what are you doing? What wrong? Line 024. Okay, 0.
82. Okay. And what's bothering you? That headache. Wait. Your hand.
Ebu Achama. If you knew Ebu. Now, let's say announcement there, Ajinam Ebaha. One use a watcher, but if you watch your able. Babanum a $3 Nemum. Some would do him a kind of Ajuska. Emi Dakushi. Now, watch your way, Dinamo Lamukon Koto. Tete, Ayadibiala, Ubela Jibia. Into our Bibiala. Also about Nabosha. I said you who name it was got a quarter do I Olympoya da on here. Yan and you who name us up. Number doctors now and I catch a while. I'm there. I am white, Papa Maya. Man is them.
Local. What's your firm? Abanya. Miss Baby, I'm yourself in my the pain and a baby. Na the men woman, and never your lady, na fish ya. Into the never your man, nurse for back agenda. There were more shahen apple, Mazan. Pala so aba, why hen come on. 1 year Bibia until the never in Yamisran. The Mazan bar all about them, new agenda. New agenda, na old agenda. Yamisran, non to no come, a man on quatental. Moake chila, on to me ye be rather ankasa, uncle can, mount to me ya farm 1 man. That one us. Agenda. And never in board the boy, why are the papa? My good thing for the Madanasi, and you no cheap papa. Only concrete, as soon as you are being but on your settle, mon shoot and tiny on 2 years. Amen.
Amen.
From Joseph to Anna, if you baby, and never in Madanasi, there. I'm a doctor, wife from 3. And I coupon on to Nunkum. You be there, obey piano on your pom. Madame, Amen.
Ono efi ono debushe yakwen samfufum won samfufum no na kwanchefu peina oda EP ano meche environmental protection authority yan maame professor Nana Mabran Kruchi ode sam atugwa no acheme de se yene bobia another yen environmental ye womi da yankopan bo de mahene no no kwei ode hen ankasa ye hwede ye na se yanhwede ye na so kaban de no touchma na hiara na yebo yehunu abor yente nsama Nana Mabran Kruchi professor CEO Dema EPA nsama okanibi
Medase menchia wete funyina ha na mina do mebo pwe mo Toronto Canada ebra oye environment conference yeshimwa ha mo baya yebohu ma hen chanchana yehu ebesesie niye ya hwam from some ya hwentu sam ekodi nya pan ya plastics ayenyi na enyim organ ha na oye environmental protection authority plants ayewo plastics ho inde onche biara my friend is single use plastics no me no pure water me no nsi ono Ghana e babanan da ye use bio nti egude ye ho dwuma ye ho nkrata ye ho hwehwem ma ye be ya ma Ghana fo so wo ho botto hwan na he na environment no so no ha ata na ni nya no abo nya nkasa nya akomudzen na he atetena pa nti egude ye ho dwuma but o chere on chere biara ye babanan single use plastics. My friend take away containers here styrofoam needy. On the president of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, na abu aka ho asam. Yeah, World Environment Day wo June. There, fiti da mabere no record. Ya ban. My EPA in there. Ya boa me yenya alternatives. Na ekoto wacha. Wara ni fo bolu mpompa. Ebenya bibia out there styrofoam what there take away container ne obiara be use or that na ye use take away containers apart from the whole environment asan how hiankasa so ya na apu meza nti aye na kakra na ya ban ti ga na bia mfanya na ya no na plan their own chebia me your friend take away white ones ya ze ya to ya white gu ya to mo na ade edi hihye me ye beje di ye use na plastic different single use plastics so take away ma water bottle na onye sachet ni na so ye beje there ye use Ghana nti Ghana bia amfa hye no mfanya na aga
and lastly no
ya na environment na mframa yakum no so okahoma ye hwema no mu beye anade ye bohwema no mu ayeye ama hiare hia apomizin wo Ghana no so ka Environmental Protection Authority hedwuma distribute to bear no aya ye ze hia no machines monitor DCCC bia ye hwede mframa no mu no otida ne editu abanafo anade general public no fo it's air quality ye hwede ebenyan obeye ama hen wo Ghana nti EPA mbre bia abede wona wo hwehwe nwura oyede woje aga da nwura wo wabo na na show no otiambra nti onu dem ye local government and other district assemblies any ho ye ho adwuma mo be wo be enforce the regulation no aye adwuma so indo bia nwura wona abo no ongada na azum lion for na the any waste company for one fa no fa nko say nhumadi waste by ya for EPA the veteran is by ya ye waste ho adwuma na ye budi ya plastics on na mo by ya yen no no by ya kwanjin ozama he that's
finally
that's it fun oya galamsia apart from us say hen nsu dodo no sanso osay hen asas na nyina ye nyotu mu bio nti my EPA he adwuma inde enka oya large scale la wana what to go do na dodo mu na kasimo large scale fan ono obadi permitter otua mo friend oya we post bond otua guarantee bi to so wotutu form na when say si asas na EPA dem scan ya dia reclamation dey say si asas na small scale problem ya be between na one no post bond bia nti wotutu ha aso no kotutu ebufofo nti na oma ono wa be dadwen zama aban ya be ya the directive abade obia small scale mine bia na nkasa reclaim na land voluntarily nti ya hwa dodo a ya supervise as Environmental Protection Authority ya hwa dodo a obutum waye na nka na chida aban na nkasa bo ho kaw ozigana for taxpayers money or the CC assassin otiti da ma wija ho ye bebe bi na ka ye bi odu ko no ofen ye bi wo Amansia West Amansia Central or Ashanti region next week ya mpo ye boko ka ye community engagement on the reclamation of the land nti ya hwa land na ye hwa me ye be san ye CC ya na nkasa so nyinu so a no so oye here rivers bi be wo Ghana ha ni nya wa ye polluted no so ye hwa ho technology obobo here ma ya ye boy easy wo gala me say problem was my me fa on in land is na it will reclaim easy na ye the heavy metals o we treat with activated charcoal and other technologies na insunu was no oya how kase ozima he onu ko ebudo aye ye ho adwuma on che bia Ghana for better Environmental Protection Authority yanenka insunu sis
final
yanem blog say e how bibi wo environment no ma ya wa so twa de ya de twa bi esiketia ya panel tebutia bi wo ho a ide ezo ko mbranyim nti wa lawyers a wonye Ghana for na obiara oba Ghana ba how and environment o kwa bia do no ya wa lawyers so sa no so de ho fa mbrakwa mu nti nya agina e hawon na kase anana kakraba do bi wo ho nya kase bebre ono ya ju sika na yare ya nsisi a osade ye ma oso na obur head on ya zo ko mbre
on there
Emshafu inya ya nsema okrodo wo ya Canada abuchimi na wo hwe environment no ho nhihye ya sa ompe obane de ya dire tutu menje sabuchiti magana so de ota ebo na Ghana yende no ya de galemse ena ya nkasa ya mpasema nkunya ya de said na owura Albert Komi na so dwumadi na se na ohobi nti ode nsem tugwa ya hwe da no so okay.
Investment in the Central region. What we are thinking about Central region there, we want to also come to Central Region and get, feasibility. Now, investment required 2 years in the area of even especially tourism. Also, the Central Region this year, hotels, if I were that apart from Ridge Royal and Pimpamsi, our capital city, every hotel will be better. But tourists also work only one in an hour local tourists. If you are high class tourists, when you be people what you wanted to. Also, the main class of hotels, what on Grand back. Want to meet Capecoast. Now 1 year and our region 1 year, be there one ticket post or the Yakomado Papa. So also the year so you that experience and the resources to put up a mall, shopping mall or Cape Coast. Yeah, there, you better now after maybe info better for info chiefs. Now, one my assassin better must see more or Cape Coast. More like I won't take out the two see Cape Coast more. Or you there yet Cape Coast now, yet to Takade and I have crap and suddenly I shopping malls out to them. Yes, you better mean your mall or yes, papa or chin Takade more and out in that of Kumasi mall. You better my business more on so the basso, I better you are, you better to my localized prices, the mobile and igneous businesses, Why then we bet the stores one why business. Which is that the man is say I make say to me go akwamna obadoa ye to me see more ye to me see hotel o te juma beba ejuma na ye youth for here enti na sabi impejus na ye youth for no bi mu wo ye nyama on se fata na se juma ba me just ye youth for no obaka de wo pre wa kwabochi ana we free Capecoast ana wa ba kra na wa ba free juma enti dem na ye pe de ye na ye boa that would be juma bepa na ye jagwa kwam bebre na me just yakopon baby I want make tena no through the favor and mercy of His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama. Na kupona oni mukona no beboam na benya adwena metum guy dem yamana ayi. Nti Capecoast we are all for Capecoast as God. All the can Ghana system now. In Kano na nka ye school na ye obi bia wo for environmental studies na nka ko ye course wo compulsory. Na dem course na o shase wo we're friendly in class 1 copying GSS input EduSS where to me share the course now Obayan was one school because Omama see the need to protect the environment the center all the personal hygiene all the can now communities so all very clean into the basic knowledge or not to move all the baby now so communal now where baby now you see that there or try all day now, I remember kind of conference last day. Since I'm share various countries, also my country Ghana. That ma environmental studies now yes was school no. Only curriculum maybe. Ma what the China and only more you free curriculum no. Mo farman them a general cleaner I anka ye school anapa. Now while Ghana yen na assembly was so young kwana yen clean yen patam only so only obium. There was schools be instead of allowing the kids to clean and now the mo farman there since one school hold on, work for Zoom line and our third party company now one will claim. Into all my the most mind the entity on your work. Now I share global world as well. And there that man is on your work. And see even in advanced countries like US now that the best pet there one's all my knowledge that because education one was starting and some young country Ghana was starting. But on the work was surprising the environmental issues here can once no. Oh field war. Sebi eko US baby wa ebe hu na nkofo sebi bridge as simple na work toilet ho na nyama no onye nti oye global issue oye asama on for Ghana hunkutin and other African countries. It is something that affects the whole world. Now it is there as companies so yenso ye juma na yenya mfaso na yenya odom no na environment ye juma won so until a company no yenya mfaso biara so what will you gain if you gain all the profits and then you are not healthy, or the people who you do business are not healthy, or so that you don't have a sustainable future? And see, I thought it's wise together with my team there. Let me conference whatever. What the can any opportunity so now yet share my black or your Ghana Libya Arab holdings and company as I now corporate organizations over there. We are also hoping for collaborations and all that. Now yes, you share you doing environmental issues. Some of them over collectively no yebetum yaso the many issues na no yeba no yebeti nkwansha yebeti education nkofo and knowledge nkofo wo environmental issues My main reference, Professor Nanama Brankuchi, the Environmental Protection Authority, Organa, Lagos, in some of the two there. It was something which was applauded by all the academic people. No, and so Nana. Friend and Uncle face actually now so or chairman, the only chairman. Then your conference or to the more Canada, Mania, the she, Yana, Papa, Nana, or Kofi, or chair program. A professor, Bakusa, and so I've been or Ambrasi, or Watima, on also the University, Capecoast Tenka University. Yo, and say, the executive director of Ghana Libya Arab Holdings Company Limited, or a joint venture company between the government of Ghana and then the Libyans and Arabs. And the company so about 42 years in the 80s. Rollins, ni Nyankufa, ni Gaddafi, na Obande, or the bilateral relations now between the Ghana government and the Libyans, or the Libya. Afibo obeto my relationship awo to the relationship na we setting up business essentially no your business are ye wo gapo oyin the hotel tourism that is one aspect, one subsidiary. You want the real estate subsidiary. Essentially you want agricultural subsidiary na other commons business to me invest with other businesses by 3 months ago, na president me call hono me hu the potentials no one does.
Eti owura Gabriel Kwame Adams ono na eti nankan na jumezinu ni pompondo inano na apa kranchen a otodo esuan ono na odi na jumezin ya no odi bobad no Coastal Television yayin no bonkomo bi sen no so nkomo ana na adwenkyere wo oye environment no na nsama na so kan ni bi.
On the the central government on Bobadan or Krubia Numu paying for or there or him and a name paying for one washer there. Ubiara say Wawa Banumpa or there is CC and if he CC and a man tempting CC so Yako Ebia. Yeni su ahoro odeda insutna ahoro odeda ho anade epu ana kwaya ahoro a owo ho na ndema wa oboyen ban wa wetwe enwehia ono na obo hema hene debia akwaniaba ndema yede hwehen ho no yenya no oye mpemfa wotedam na wofa hene oye customs another amambre no nye amande ahorodo na tabu na de na wo fado wo de bon ban forest impoti bit there mutum wo yi baby so do ye sacred forest another ye abusumpo ana bibi na oma nipa no wontum wonko ho wonka ye ma wo pe biala ni na no nde ye hu de ohuhia osande no ye do wo you see religious way be na what is through what is share nipa no ma wa ye na so ni na no oyada obo ye ne environment no ho ban nti oyada na na no wa ye free nti send the central government aba na say obo so he mo oyada papa ba na mo nkyere de ode ye gem na ye de to central government na nkotendo nti ma yenyima eko Ghana eko nkrasa menyor kase yala oguda woye intum kotu nwurangu bebiala epe intum keye mepe biala insu wokade monkom damde ya inkom isu tsan no hundua osisi wonka ntini na lawyer da otumda nti se dama kwanya na mefi de sayensu tumye fado ne yedeba enum kura kasa na no so ahemfuo mu na ohini biara na ne mpemfo obotum wa aboa ma ahundini anade nema etwa enwo hia no ho bambo wa kodo ma wa boy nyina galamsey ne de de bia maka de asase biala wotu gold wo biala oye ohene bi na asase nti se ohene no se eto anamo bi na se nipa no wode force another wode one wotu na wode yada ono ye sonko na mum ya ontidama ye ntum na ohene bi ansa ono nka de galamsey a wotu ona asase do no ono onyim ho hwe ana ine na wa kodo ma ma ode obi anya no wenya na iwie so a wansan so ode esiesie ode aba sustainable mining ode aba no am do no hia so obi be ya mining na odo ye na mining na obi so a insu no ebi oyi nam wo no nso wetum weyi ne nam wo ne mo monka bande owo mining na ere ye ni nti chamfan ya na machine bi de kesunsu mo wa sensu oba na ma no wo aye personal kunya osa no wa erpe wo gold no enya wo gold na mum nkai na obi a no so orokoyi na mo nsum na etua na no edidi obi a wa ye ma haban wo nsum ne nchanchan a osansunu bi na odi petidon owa ko poison nsum modi on yeye nti kwa bia yi wo de we yetum ye kada obi ye mining na ontua at fofofu nyina hone ano edidi nti se ohin na se wo na se dama ai ade okodo wo asase do wo manfunala so na wo bebre nti oyi de etina ho na eduro yi wahwe kakra bia gotuma ye no fa wotum fa ye obro da ma embra onye dama foforo no onye hundi me fi de se yen na ye nkakra ye botum na ye de boa aban na morkodo bebrebe ya aya hosem wo Ghana ma obia nde ono na odana no no me fi de oboboa na emum ye kan dam politics sem ne do no aban biala obeba ana party biala obeba no say ya nipa no ya challenge na dem or kodo no onye nti ye bo hwe ma ejaya onu ye be ye politics ye be ye bia dem problem no obeda ho awo ti dem a yenyim de wa wo ho ende kakra no nti ohin bia mfa no njim no mbo ye da aban no no ni EPA titu ni Professor Nanama Brown Kluche as the one wetum na wode dama adult dam wadaba bebre no wonim de ayade mpo beye me share social media na wo ka obebi a na binum mpo wode de fa yes nti wo gudu wo yem o de media fo so wode echi na wo kotwa wo hu de nyo wo yo beye na mum no wo gudu a wo reclaim no oyin de wo reclaim wa fan na o abonofo no so wo esi echi na wo ye oba ndam nza no chere hobi be say na apun so na edahwati kon nti ode bambofo oye soldier fu na police fu na dam nine mofo oye dam tax force aban wati we se won wotum wo yi dam abonefo efi eho a na we tuma aye dam reclamation no wo ye reclamation wi so a ode wo hwe de bonefo biare ntum nkom na akawa aban wa bo na oda reclaim dam insu a otidamana asasa otidam no wonsan won ba mbese ne biem no ma aban ne investment another sika odi share dam dwume no mu no onka ye kwa nti ono na mese
era sepe nana apa kranche otodo eson onenye ekunfin abaka ohena oho ono na eterenkan ono aso no hye dam dwumedi nya de bedam robe ya se wokono ukusua de na woba wode dam nsamina no abobo oman Ghana no puntu na na kanko ebusa Coastal television de menjira do na yemfa nsamina no yemfa mbre ewiei na mansa na yemfa aseda sonko yemfa ma oyake of the universe the kenkon wo bedem materials the mara na MPA osi yen use gas edwuma ko benu na wuso masen ma